What happens when you mute someone on Messenger? Hello everyone, my name is Mal and in this video I'm going to show you how you can mute someone in your Messenger and what happens when you do that. So first of all, before doing this, make sure that you have installed and updated the latest version of Messenger application on your device so that you won't miss out any new features. For that, you must need to head into the Google Play Store. On the top search bar, just search for Messenger app right here. After searching for Messenger, if there is any update option available there, then you should update it. If not, then you can just simply open your Messenger application after installing it. Now, whatever friends you have on a Messenger, you will get a notification whenever they call you, message you, send you voice messages or anything else. So what you can do to ignore all that is mute the messages. You can mute the messages by just long pressing on the profile of the person that you want to mute. After that, you will see the very option of mute right here. Now you will see the option of mute messages notification. That will mute only the messages, but when they call you, you will be notified. And the next option is mute call notification, which will only mute the call notifications, but you will be notified about the messages. But when you tap on the mute messages and call notifications, whatever they send you, you won't be able to know. So you can also mute this chat for 15, 1 hour, 8 hours. So according to you prefer. So you can also tap on until I change it. Now tap on the OK option. Now whatever messages they send, you won't be disturbed and you won't be notified on the Messenger. Now if you want to unmute this person again, then again long press here and you will see the option of unmute if you have already muted them. Just tap on unmute and you are done. All the options have been disabled now. So that's how you can unmute someone in Messengers, and that's what happens when you do it. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below.